Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to review this WD hard drive. So without any further delay, let's get started. Brand name of this hard drive is WD Element. Talking about the capacity, it is 1.5 TB. Height is about 2.1 centimeter and the width is about 8.24 centimeters. USB 1.1 can be used to interface this hard drive and weight is about 130 grams, and you will get 2 years of warranty with this hard drive. So let's quickly open it. So in this box you will get the hard drive and with user manual and one USB 3.0 cable. And if you want to buy this hard drive, then the link will be provided in the description box. Even the link of the case will be provided in the description box. You can check it out. It is compact in size, but the case of this hard drive is not really good, and I think it's not for rough and tough use. Still, if you use it properly, then your data will be saved. Otherwise, you can buy a case for this hard drive, and it is must with this hard drive. You will have to insert the cable in a proper way. Talking about the storage and the speed of this hard drive, it's quite good and it's light in weight, but the case of this hard drive is not really good. So if you are more concerned about the storage, then you can definitely go for this one. The speed is also quite good. The reading speed is approximately 70 to 100 Mbps and the writing speed is about 70 to 90 Mbps. One thing you must buy before you buy this hard drive, that is the case of this hard drive. So the video is already made. You can check the I button or you can check the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video.